This shoe rack has 3 levels and is made of wood. The fact that it has multiple levels and is not too wide is great because it doesn't take that much space on the floor. Overall, this shoe rack is a great way for us to keep all our shoes neat, tidy, and organized. The top level is a flat solid surface, although you can see we have placed more shoes on top. You could actually use it as a bench to sit down on while you put your shoes on. We've got our shoe rack set on top of a mat to catch any excess rainwater or dirt tracked from outside. We use the bottom 2 levels to put shoes that may be wet or have some dirt because the excess rainwater or dirt can fall down onto the mat through the bars of the rack. It fits sneakers, high heels, and all types of shoes in between. And if you really wanted to, you could even place some slippers or sandals on the very bottom between the first level and the floor because the shoe rack is raised with legs, leaving a gap at the bottom.